In this video, I will show you all the tools we offer for managing your VoIP.ms account expenses. This tutorial might be helpful for you if you want to learn how to check your account balance, future charges, and transactions history, how to add funds to your account, how to set up automatic billing and never run out of credits, how to obtain DID billing information, and how to generate an invoice. Let's start with how to check your current account balance. One easy option is to visualize the current balance in your account home screen. Another way to find this information is to check the account balance option under Finances. There you will have access to your current balance and incoming DID charges for the next day, the next 3 days, and the next 7 days. If you are looking for more detailed information about account usage, you can check your transactions history. As you can see, you can select a date range to monitor your account activity during a given period. There, we also provide you with a search field to look for a specific activity, such as when was the last time you added funds to your account. Now, let's talk about adding funds to your account. You can add credits manually via PayPal or credit card. If you never want to run out of credits, you can set up automatic billing with your credit card. To set up automatic billing, all you need is to complete your billing information and add your credit card data. After the credit card is approved, you can set your automatic charging balance threshold and the amount you'd like to credit to your account whenever you're running low on credits. Both the Canadian Invoices and Generate Invoice section provides you the opportunity to generate an invoice in PDF format for a selected period, with the difference that the Canadian Invoice option generates invoices with tax information for Canadian tax purposes. I will generate an invoice for the last month of 2022 and the first month of 2023 as an example. If you are looking for information specific to your DID billing, navigate to the DID tab, where you will have access to information exclusive to your DID numbers, such as the monthly fee you pay, the per minute rate, and the billing date for each number. We hope these tools help you better manage your expenses using VoIP.ms. We appreciate having you as a customer.